Now we are here at the street Christmas market. So look at live here in the UK, England. Wow, they have loads of stuff in here. All the food here, the fries and everything is here. The meat. This is the meat. Everything is here. All the food. This is the lamb. Yeah, lamb. And here we need to turn around. This one is look like a toys, but you can sit down. Look, it's very cute. There's a privacy. It's beautiful in that case, oh. Kani the singing horse. The singing Christmas song. O kani siya, bar ni siya, oh bar. You can order wine, everything, beer. So it's loads in here, and then here comes. So we need to turn around here. So let's check in here. So what's going on? Okay. Mauna siya dagan kayong tao, oh. Lots of people in here. Oh, kadaghang tao. So libot na punta. Okay, this is the Ferris wheel. Okay, and then let's check here. Okay, the Ferris wheel. Look at her Ferris wheel. Hinay ra ilang Ferris wheel, dili siya kusog. Hinay ra siya mo padalagan. So now it's here in the city center. Oh, look at the Greek taste. Oh, so here comes, and here let's check what's this in here. So let's go inside. No, we can't go inside because I don't order food. So this is the Christmas lights. Look at, wow, amazing, beautiful, so beautiful. And this one, what's this in here? Let's check. Okay, kuan din siya. Okay, Santa Claus, the big Santa Claus. Wow. And here, okay, let's turn. Oh, another Santa Claus wearing red. Okay, in here also na puning diri kani siya. Okay, that is their Christmas tree nila. Mao na siya, bratwurst. That is, I think that is German food. Because I haven't tasted. Okay, so now loads of people eat. So this is the Itso restaurant. Okay, we're here at the Welcome to Cabot Circus here in England. It's raining, so it's raining this time. So here the cider, yeah, all the bar, yeah, you can unwind here, everything. And then let's move around a little bit, slowly. I will tour you around. Oh wow, okay, let's check what is this. So this is the German food. I think this is a German food. All the sausage here, sausage meat. What's this in here? Okay, the hot dog. See the price. It's not expensive. Okay, that's the crowd favorite. Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's not really expensive. £5, £9. So let's turn around. So come back again. Okay. Here. Okay, let's check. Oh, that's the food. Alright. Okay. And then in here, what's this in here? This is the Alpine Hut. I don't know how to say that one. Muff waffles. Yeah, the waffles maker. They're making waffles. Alright, the waffles. And then in here, there's loads of food. Yeah. Street food Christmas market. So here. Okay. Oh wow, this one. Wow, this is like an art. Yeah, it's like a earrings, necklace, and this one is the chips. Yeah, and then let's move here. Oh, they're making chips. chocolate. Let's check the chocolate in here. Okay, that is the chocolate. Wow, the price is not expensive. It's not really expensive in here. Okay. And this one, what is this? It's like a bath soap. Yeah, this is the pork, loaded fries, BBQ pulled pork. Okay, everything is here. You can order drinks made with an authentic. Okay, I'm here now. I look so haggard. Need more sleep. Okay. Then here, alright, there's loads of people around. Everywhere is people. Yeah, let's check here. I'm here in the pork, the roast pork. Choose your roll. Round roll, 9 pounds. Long roll. So yeah, you need to choose the sauce. Okay. And this one is the sausages. I think this is the English sausage. Okay, and this one, the cheese. Yeah, cheese. Some currywurst, 9 pounds. Yeah, not so expensive. Oh, that's the Ferris wheel. Hinay ra ilang Ferris wheel, dili siya kusog. Kani siya, what's this? It's what was it called? For the sweet, the candy. I don't know what's it called. I forgot the name for this one. Marshmallow. Yeah, marshmallow. Everything is here for kids and everything. Okay, that's it. It's not really big. Yeah, it's not really big because the city center is not. Okay, this one. Yeah, I'm here again. Yeah, turn around. Let's turn around. Okay, marshmallow, everything in here. So let's come back again. I'm back again. And now, okay, haggard time. So now that's it. It's all done. Yeah. Thank you for watching. This is it.